Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today I'm gonna do an emergency update because currently, guys, we saw this insane pump up to $23,800, which was the highest point here that happened before a couple minutes. And guys, we pumped significantly from the lowest point of $22,354 up to $23,800, which is insane number, insane jump. As you can clearly see, we talking for a 6% in just couple minutes, guys, which is insane manipulation, and it's a very clear pump that happened by big whales. And guys, you can clearly understand that we're talking for an insane volatility, whales pumping and dumping the prices like crazy, and that's why I'm always suggesting you to do a DCA instead of doing trade. So in this video, guys, we're gonna speak some general rules because it's like an emergency video, and we're gonna speak in the short term what I'm expecting, why I'm still bearish no matter how much we're gonna pump, but with a limit. And of course, we're going to speak in the mid-long term what I'm expecting exactly with big details. If you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned at the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video because it's a way that helps me a lot to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And guys, appreciate you a lot from the bottom of my heart for all your help, because with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share your friends, you help me a lot, guys, to succeed my goal, and appreciate you a lot. A big thank you to all of you guys. And let's jump straight to our chart to begin our analysis, guys. As you know, until yesterday, until 2-3 hours from now, we were, and especially me, I was extremely bearish. I was expecting to see a big drop on the Bitcoin price back to $21,461, as I told you yesterday, because as you can clearly see here, we had the symmetrical triangle which broke to the downside, and we spoke yesterday that this breakout is going to lead us to a downtrend movement to a lower price, which actually happened. As you can clearly see, we dropped from $23,000 back to $22,339. We saw some consolidation with ups and downs, and suddenly we saw and experienced this insane pump. And most of people right now are getting excited because they believe that this is the end of the bear market. Guys, you should consider the fundamentals. I'm telling you this over and over again because most of people just looking only the market, and because of a pump believe that this is the end of the bear market and let's go all in. Guys, be careful, because to see some real pump with real big numbers, we need to see actually very good fundamental news. With some of those can be good unemployment rates, good inflation rates, not that high inflation rates. Okay, we need to drop more the inflation rates, guys, and this will need more time. We need more months to come, 5 to 6 months. I believe we will need at least 5 to 6 months to see some good inflation rates, and with that kind of breath that we take from those news, we're gonna start in big investors gonna jump with millions, billions, and gonna actually see the relief rally. Okay, and actually with that way we're gonna build the bullish territory, and this way it's gonna be very, very slowly. We can expect, guys, a Bitcoin pump from $22,000 up to $100K $1,000 in just a week. This is impossible. We will start building this bullish territory very, very slowly. So this is some kind of what I'm expecting in the mid-long term as a bull run. Guys, until then, I believe that because whales right now manipulating the market like crazy, as you can clearly see, lots of ups and downs on the prices, I believe that from technical side, initially from technical side, as we are below the previous high, which was here, the $25,233, and let me put the daily time frame just to know exactly what I'm talking about. Because, guys, previously, if you remember, we had this insane dump, this insane crash actually, with a bottom of $70,525, and then we jumped back to $25,000, and I was screaming you here that this was a bull trap, and then we saw again another free fall back to $15,000. So I'm expecting something the same here, guys. Okay, I believe that as we are under this $25,233, I remain very, very bearish. Okay, if we take some distance, and with that distance let's say we're gonna jump over $30,000, yes, from technical side it could be a very bullish note. But guys, fundamentals, we need first fundamentals. Okay, first fundamentals, and then we will confirm fundamentals with the technicals. This is the only way that I'm doing the analysis in this current bear market. Okay, because we can see from a symmetrical triangle or whatsoever in the daily time frame or a weekly time frame if the investors holding their money and they don't actually invest. Somebody must actually invest on those things, and with those high inflation rates, unemployment rates, stocks are crashing, everything is red. We can see Bitcoin pump. Okay, it's a completely bull trap. And of course, for me, as I'm telling you in every video, is the biggest bull trap that we have ever seen on this bear market. Guys, I would like just to show you, first of all, here as we are right now on the daily time frame, on the other side, we are extremely overbought position, which means that we don't have more power to push the price upwards. Okay, we can pump the price over $30,000 from this area of an overbought position from a technical side. Okay, from especially this indicator. And right now I'm gonna show you the 4-hour time frame here, because look at this, it's forming something very, very dangerous. And I'm gonna use actually the 2-hour time frame. It's gonna form better to understand what I'm talking about. Here we had this symmetrical triangle, and right now, guys, with all this kind of pump that happened, look what probably is going to form. Okay, if this is gonna continue, guys, and this is actually the highest point that we reach here, we're going to form the rising wedge pattern with ups and downs here. If we're gonna move like that, and with a slightly higher price of the Bitcoin price, we're gonna have a beautiful formation of A move, B move, C move, D move, probably a couple more moves until we're gonna break. And with that break, we're gonna actually see the finally drop that I'm expecting a lot. Okay, and I'm expecting a lot, guys, not because I don't want to see the Bitcoin green, of course, because if this is going to happen, guys, I'm gonna make crazy X's back on my wealth. That's why I'm accumulating right now like crazy with DCA and lots of other things. But I'm trying to tell you the truth because I see a huge drop that's about to come. Okay, and this drop is gonna get us to the very, very low numbers. That's why I'm telling you the last couple of weeks, especially, that I'm waiting and I'm expecting the last capitulation to happen. I believe a lot this last capitulation, which is gonna be the maximum pain to the world markets. To all markets. Afterwards, we're gonna start building and see some relief pumps to the price. Okay, so beware of those things, guys, because you can get wrecked out very, very easily. All you have to do is to do DCA. I have been telling you these things in my every video, and I'm still telling you these things because it's the most important thing that that I actually want you to have in your mind. So that's all, guys, about this video. I hope you enjoy it. See you tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.